Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to connect Wave to accounting softwares. Now, Wave doesn't support direct syncing with other accounting tools, but you can exchange data using exports and imports or using Zapier. The options to do it, the first option is to export and import. So you can export data like invoices, transactions, and reports. You can export those from Wave to CSV, and then import the CSVs into tools like QuickBook, Xero, or FreshBooks using their import functions. The second option is to use Zapier. Now, if your accounting tool supports Zapiers like maybe QuickBook or online, you can set Wave as the trigger. That is, you could, for example, new invoice, and then you can set your tool as the action. It could be create invoice or customer, whatever else it is. That's the procedure to use Zapier. The third option is third-party tools. Services like saas ants or one saas may help with more advanced synchronizing or with one-time migrations. A quick reminder, always double check data mapping during import and export to maintain accurate books. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.